Upo muna tayo. Upo muna tayo habang nag-aantay. Ang laki ng lounge nila. Laki ng lounge. Lounge muna tayo. Ayan. Lahat na tayo sa ano. Yan, si Bear. Papakita ko lang si Bear. Ayan. Woo! Hello! Good deal. Oh.
What we need to do is next time we book a ticket.
Oh. I'm having chicken majbush and hubby is having chicken, not chicken, hummus. Yan. Mas marami kanina. Ang haba ng ano ng pila sa economy. Ayan. Hanggang doon. Yung bus ng ano, ng business class wala pa, hindi pa tinatawag. Mamaya pa daw. Ayan. So, antay lang kami dito sa likod. Dito. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, meron din dito. Lagayan ng ano yan. Headset. Ayan yung itsura. Dito na tayo sa Cape Town. Yan. Nandun yung plane namin. Qatar Airways. Hello. O, diba? Yan. ating sundo, guys. Ayan.
Just jump in, I'll get the bag.
Ayan. Ito yung ating sundo. Yung aming hotel ay nag-arrange na sila ng ano, transportation. Nag-request kami ng transportation, guys. Kaya, ayun.
For South Africa, for as a destination for Americans.
Not that bad, kind of. I mean, it's still a good distance, but time zone doesn't change.
Take you from a wine estate, so but there's abundance of Ubers in that area because Stellenbosch little town. So
Yeah.
you know that way you've got the flexibility because obviously they'll only notify you this afternoon if they're definitely going to fly. It's hugely weather dependent, and for obvious reasons. We've done Napa or anything like that, but it's our winelands are incredibly beautiful because they're so mountainous, you know, and so you've got these.
It's a great time to travel from the Middle East because it's getting.
Monument you're looking at, that's Cecil John Rhodes monument.
Who built that?
Well, you can actually see the vine from the slope of the mountain.
Oh.
It's up on the right side, so the oldest university in the country.
Okay.
Very esteemed.